Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a channel on Telegram desktop. Telegram channels are perfect for sharing announcements, updates, news, and content with a large audience. Let us get started. The first thing you need to do is open Telegram on your computer. Once Telegram opens, click on the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, click on New Channel. A Create Channel window will open. In the Channel Name field, enter the name you want to use for your channel. You can also add a profile picture by clicking the camera icon. Select an image from your computer if you would like to customize the appearance of your channel. Next, enter a description for your channel. This description helps visitors understand the purpose of the channel and the type of content that will be shared. After entering the channel name and description, click the Create button to continue. Telegram will now ask you to choose the channel type. You can select either a public channel or a private channel. If you choose a public channel, Telegram will ask you to create a unique link or username for the channel. This allows users to find and join your channel through Telegram search or by using the channel link. If you choose a private channel, Telegram will automatically generate an invitation link that you can share with people you want to invite. Choose the option that best fits your needs and then click Save or Next to continue. You will now see a list of your contacts. Select any contacts you would like to add to the channel immediately. If you do not want to add anyone right now, you can leave this step blank. Click the Invite button or the check mark to finish creating the channel. Your Telegram channel has now been created successfully. You can start publishing content by typing a message in the message box at the bottom of the channel window and pressing Enter. You can also share photos, videos, documents, and other files by clicking the attachment icon. To manage your channel settings, click the channel name at the top of the window. From there, you can edit the channel information, change the profile picture, manage subscribers, create invite links, and configure additional settings. Finally, confirm that your channel was created successfully by checking that the channel name and description appear correctly. That's how to create a channel on Telegram desktop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.